So you've developed a work that you're willing to let the public use. What do? How do you let the public know that it is okay this time to use one of your works? What you're going to use is something called a Creative Commons license. This is a license that has been developed, and it allows people to give a work to the public domain with some restrictions. You can let people use it for commercial purposes. You can let people use it for non-commercial purposes. You can let people use it for any purpose. But if you've got a work that you want to let other people use, what you're going to do is attach what's called a Creative Commons license to your work, and then the rest of the public knows that they can go ahead and use the work. This is Sharon from Let's Get Down to Business Bootcamp, and if you've got something you want to let people use, Creative Commons is the way to go. Hope you have a great day and stay safe out there.